This problem is from the 2025 Harvard MIT Math Tournament. Feel free to give it a shot and keep watching and see the solution. Okay, here's how to solve it. So it's going to be this divided by this. But before dividing, we need to simplify these first. So how do we do that? Well, the top is 20 plus 1 over something that needs to be simplified as well. So let's go ahead and simplify it. So 20 plus 1 over, so what should I do with the 25? I should convert it into something over 20. So this is going to be 25 times 20 over 20. Yeah, so this got changed to this. I just multiplied by 20 over 20. That's the same thing as multiplying by just 1. Okay. And I'll give you a second to pause the video and repeat my steps with the bottom. Okay. What did you get? Okay, so this time it needs to be over 25, and it's going to be 20 times 25. Okay, so what's this times this? That's going to be 500. 1 over, so 500 minus 1, so 499 over 20, over 25 plus 1 over. So this is going to be 500 minus 1, so 499 over 25. Okay, and when we do 1 over something, what do we do with the fraction? We take the reciprocal, so we swap the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so that's how to get rid of the 1 over. Okay, I'll give you a second to pause the video and repeat my steps with this. Okay, what did you get? You should have gotten 25 over 499. Okay, so this looks much simpler than this, but how do we simplify this further? Well, you'll notice that in the numerator as well as the denominator, we still have fractions, but these fractions have a common denominator. And if they have a common denominator, you can multiply the top and bottom by that denominator. So if I multiply by 1, like this, it doesn't change the value of this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so to get rid of the parentheses, what do we do? So it's going to be 20 times 499 plus this times this. And what's this times this? Well, these are going to go away, so it's just going to be 20. I'll give you a second to repeat my steps on the bottom. So it's going to be 25 times 499 plus 25. Okay, this is even simpler because we don't have any fractions anymore in the numerator or the denominator. But how can we simplify this further? Is there something that we can factor out? Well, yes. For the numerator, we can factor out a 20. So it becomes 20 times how much? So 20 times 499 plus how much? Plus 1, because 20 times 1 is 20. Now I'll give you a second to pause the video and repeat my steps with the bottom. Okay, and you should have gotten 25 times 499 plus 1. So what's 499 plus 1? 500. So 20 times 500 over 25 times 500. How do we simplify this fraction? And cross these out. And what's 20 over 25 equal to? What can I divide out of the top and bottom? Divide out 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. Since this cannot be simplified any further, our answer is 4 over 5.